Are you struggling with food noise during your weight loss journey? Here are my 3 tips on how to get rid of it completely. Number 1 is do not starve yourself to lose weight. If you're one of those ladies that is eating 1 meal a day, stop this immediately. Starvation is the best way to make yourself overly fixate on food because you're constantly hungry. So how to alleviate this is simply to eat more. Eat at least 2 to 3 meals per day. Remember, weight loss simply comes down to eating less calories than you burn. Provided you do this, you can eat as many meals as you want during the day and lose weight. Tip number 2 is add more fiber to your diet. And a very easy way to do this is to eat at least 150 to 250 grams of veg with all of your main meals. Yes, breakfast included. And this is because veg is extremely low in calories, making it impossible to overeat, but it is also extremely high in fiber. And the more fiber you eat, the fuller it is going to make you feel in between your meals. And if you're feeling full, it will make it very difficult for you to fixate on constantly eating food during the day. And tip number 3 is to indulge your cravings in moderation. One of the biggest causes of food noise is because you ladies tell yourself that you cannot have that piece of chocolate. You cannot eat that piece of cake because it is going against your weight loss progress. But remember what I said in the beginning. Eat less calories than you burn. That is what causes weight loss. So provided your cake, your chocolate, or whatever craving it is you want to indulge is within your calorie deficit budget, you can have it in moderation, and that will allow you to stop thinking about it for the rest of the day, and you can get on with your weight loss journey seamlessly.